Do you want to see a weird Amazon PPC test that I'm running? I think it's a little weird. Something came up with to test out. So check this out. It's a weird optimization thing that I want to try to see if I can increase the profit of a specific SKU for a brand that I work with. So here's what we're doing. So basically, I went into Seller Board and I found one of our poor performing SKUs, not much profit, not a lot of sales volume. And I wanted to see if we could increase the profit by running a test where we paused ads for a week and then unpaused them for a week. So maybe not day parting, but week parting. So we're testing it out because we want to see if we can yield a net profit higher from pausing for 1 week and then not pausing for other. So here's the start date for the 2 weeks that are not paused. We're using 9/26 to 10/9, and then we paused it 10/11 to set 10/17. It's paused, and then it will be unpaused from the 18th to the 24th of October. And then after that, I am going to pull the data and I'm going to see whether or not we increase the profit for this specific SKU. Now, why am I doing this? Well, I'm doing this because I'm thinking of unique ways to increase the profit and profit margins for the accounts that I work with. Creative ways based on, testing and thinking about things. And so, I want to see if this works. This is not a top performer. I wouldn't recommend this for an amazing product, like a super high volume, profitable product. I wouldn't recommend this method. But for those products that are lower volume, that don't get a lot of profit margin, might be worth testing. We'll see. It could be foolish. I think that the nature of a test is that we do not know whether or not it will be successful. And so we have to test things to see whether or not it works. And you have to run lots of tests, and a lot of them are going to fail. But when you find the ones that do work, then you can systematize those and scale those up. So this is a kind of a funky test that I'm running for right now. We got it running for one SKU on one account. And then I've also chatted with other people that I work with, and we're going to try it out on theirs as well. So hope you enjoyed it. Just wanted to share kind of some weird things. I always like one of the reasons I like sharing this stuff is because it keeps kind of the juices flowing. When you hit those walls, when you're working on PPC and you hit those walls in your mind of like, how do I improve this, that, the other? I always like to think about, maybe read what somebody else is doing and just to get the juices flowing, look at data and learn more about it. All right, everyone, this is a short one, but I just wanted to share this weird little test that I'm running.